This morning we are talking about knee replacements and a new high-tech tool available to those who need joint replacements. It's estimated up to 30% of the population lives with knee osteoarthritis. Dr. Stephen Ogden with Texas Health Hospital Clear Fork joins us this morning. Good to have you here.
Morning.
Nice to see you.
Thank you.
And when we're talking about knee replacement, we are not talking about your grandparents. We're not talking about older patients anymore, just only that, are we?
No, it's for the active patient that still wants to be involved in, many individual sports and, cycling, running, things like that. So.
Okay, let's talk about this new robot, because as we were saying, robots have been around for a long time, but this is unique. This is a different deal.
This is the first successful robotic platform that orthopedics has had in a while. And at Texas Health Clear Fork with Texas Hip and Knee Center, in April we're going to begin doing complete knee replacements with robotic arm assistance, which is the first of its kind in the DFW area.
Okay, so what exactly does the robot do?
Yeah, the robot's more of an assistance to the surgeon who's performing the surgery. It's kind of a tool that helps us be very precise and reproducible with our technique when we prepare the bone for the implants. And then it helps us adjust the surgery and individualize it for each patient on the fly too.
Okay, so so in other words, it helps you do a lot better job.
I think so.
It enables you to see things and do things. So you use it for partial, full replacements.
Correct.
Is that right? Either one?
Either one. Also hip replacements.
And what difference does it make in mobility for patients?
For someone that has a very arthritic knee, it can vastly improve their mobility and their ability to just enjoy life and do everyday activities significantly.
Okay. And you were also saying that one of the benefits of the technology is planning and insight, because it offers you information before the surgery even begins.
Correct.
Can you explain that?
We send every patient for a pre-surgical CAT scan, and then we make a three-dimensional representation of the joint we're going to operate on, and then we actually pre-plan the surgery using a computer program to what we think is going to best fit that individual patient. Once we've done the surgery and we have the implant in the patient, we then reevaluate the joint and test the soft tissues, and then we can adjust that knee to that individual patient to try to get a better balanced knee for each patient.
So in other words, it makes it less cookie cutter and more, you can actually individualize the surgery
Absolutely.
for that particular patient. Is that
Absolutely.
Is that accurate? Okay. So when you're looking at all of this, you've been in this for a while. What excites you about robotics in terms of what you do?
I think we're just scratching the surface. In my individual practice, I do a lot of reconstructions that are very complex, and sometimes you don't have a lot of landmarks in surgery to implant the implants and make sure you're in the position you want to be, and this can help you guide surgeons and other people to get the surgery more accurate, more correct, and hopefully improve the longevity of the implant.
And so we did a whole show actually at Texas Health Hospital Clear Fork,
Yes.
and we're so impressed with all of the work you do. It is one of the leading edge hospitals for
Yes.
this type of work for
Yes.
anyone who needs any kind of joint replacement.
It's one of the first only joint replacement hospitals in the DFW area.
All right. Well, thanks for coming in, sharing the information.
Thank you.
So if folks want more information, they can go to
The Texas Health website, Clear Fork, and also Texas Hip and Knee Center.
All right. Thank you very much for being
You're
with us today. We really appreciate it. Once again, if you need more information, you can call 877-THR-WELL for more information, or, as the doctor said, go to texashealth.org/Clear Fork. The hospital is off Clear Fork, Main Street in Fort Worth.
Hi, I'm News 8 Chief